When making steamed eggs at home, I always struggle to get them to set properly. Sometimes, after steaming, there are air bubbles inside the food. How can we steam the eggs to be as smooth and elastic as jelly? First, we need to prepare 3 fresh eggs. Then, get a small bowl. Crack the selected eggs into the bowl. Use chopsticks to beat the eggs until well mixed. Create egg mixture. The more evenly you beat it, the smoother the steamed eggs will be. Now, pour the beaten egg mixture into a large bowl for later use. Next, add freshly boiled water into a small bowl. The water quantity should be 1.5 times that of the eggs. Pour the hot water into the beaten egg mixture. Add some salt to the bowl to enhance the flavor. Then, use chopsticks to mix the hot water and egg mixture thoroughly. Take your time during the mixing process. Allow the egg mixture and hot water to blend completely. Next, prepare a fine sieve. Filter the mixed egg solution through the sieve. This removes any air bubbles from the egg mixture. This way, the steamed eggs won't have a honeycomb texture. Use a spoon to skim off any remaining bubbles on the surface. Finally, seal the bowl with plastic wrap. This prevents water from entering during steaming. Now, take a toothpick. Make some evenly spaced holes in the plastic wrap. This allows the egg to heat faster. Next, prepare a pot. Fill it with water and place a steamer on top. Cover the pot with a lid. Bring the water to a boil over high heat. Then, place the bowl of egg mixture in the pot. Steam it for about 15 minutes. Once the water in the pot has boiled, add the egg mixture. Cover the pot with the lid. Steam the egg mixture over high heat for 15 minutes. While steaming the eggs, prepare a small bowl. Add some sesame oil to the bowl. Then, add half a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Add a little warm water. Stir the seasoning mixture evenly with a spoon. Set it aside for later use. After 15 minutes, the steamed egg custard is ready. Take the steamed eggs out of the pot and remove the plastic wrap. Score the surface of the steamed eggs with a knife. This allows the seasoning to penetrate better. Then, sprinkle the pre-prepared seasoning evenly over the steamed eggs. Finally, garnish with chopped green onions. The steamed eggs are now ready. Thank you for watching.